Morning, friends. This is Micah. I'm here in my shop, Wolf Customs, or studio, whatever. Anyway, so I'm not working on the ceiling this morning, and like, what's up with that? I don't know. I need to, but I'm not. I had a little catastrophe in the Humvee the other day, and it overheated, so I'm going to leave the explanation of that to a longer video. But I just wanted to show you guys this because this is really kind of crazy. The Humvee overheated, and I went to a friend's house to let it cool off, and I was going to fill it back up with water, and I started pouring water in, and it's just running out, you know, and I'm like, what? And look at this. You can't see the crack very well probably, but this tank right here, it completely split. You can see how it's bowed up, but the heat from the, I guess with the overheating, split that. It was, obviously there was a defect there to begin with. But what's really, cool about that is I'd rather this cheap plastic radiator tank split than a head gasket. So anyway, this is a radiator out of a 96, like F350 diesel or 460. I already have 2 more in stock. That's why I chose this radiator. Not the sexiest radiator to look at, but cheap to replace. So that's my project right now.